What the happened here? I'm going to go over each thing line by line.
Greens are basically good. Purple is basically bad.
But we're about to get real purple-greeny on one of these, right? So death, first column. Breast cancer risk, second column. Okay, a lot of this makes sense. Estrogen without progestogens
Just by itself.
make people die less and make breast cancer less. So this is confirming once again, even if you use hormones past the age of 65, that you get less breast cancer risk and less death with estrogen only. You can see it doesn't matter which estrogen is used. It could be CEE, it could be estradiol, bioidentical version, it could be oral, it could be transdermal, it could be vaginal, it could be injection. Whatever form of estrogen you used was fine. If we needed a nail in the coffin, this is it.
Low, medium, high, didn't matter still.
Doesn't matter. Estrogen is wonderful. Progestin without estrogen. So progestins, synthetic version, you can see death rate went up. We've known this. Everybody told this. We've just gone through the whole history. That's the T. And breast cancer rates went up. 21% relative risk increase. Got it. Estrogen with progestin. The death rate goes down just like it did in the original studies, but the breast cancer rate went up. Why? Not because of the estrogen, but because of the progestin. Got it. Now here's where it gets a bit funny. At the very bottom of this, you can see we put weird or not. That progesterone without estrogen, we know this, right? So progesterone without estrogen, just progesterone, not a progestin. Progesterone has a reduction in death, significant, and a reduction in breast cancer. Makes total sense. But for some reason, when you put estrogen and progesterone together, you have a reduction in death. Fabulous. You die way less. But you have an increased risk of breast cancer. The breast cancer doesn't kill a lot of people, but you have an increased risk. So this is going in favor of the type and timing, even the rare progesterone numbers that were used there. And this really made everybody wonder, hey, is there something about progesterone when you combine it to estrogen that actually causes this kind of effect? And there's been a lot of furor over this. We have a lot of menopause specialists and a lot of people saying, maybe it wasn't as safe as we thought when we put them both together from a breast cancer perspective. So let's go into why.